the farm. Up, 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 up. Oh no! The cow is on the top of the barn. What are we going to do? The pig said, help, help, help me, please, please. Can we push the pig like this? Oh no, it dropped the pig. Oh, I'm sorry, pig. I'm sorry. Kiss pig, kiss pig. Oh, what do you have there? It's a pig. What does the pig say?
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. P for pig. Good job. Can you show Mama the eyes? Good job. Bye-bye, pig. Bye-bye. Thank you, pig. What does the cow say? Moo. That's not a cow. That is still pig. That is still pig. Like, what does the pig say?
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. Good job. Can you tell me what is this? That's correct. Banana. Banana. Ba, 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 ba. Banana. Banana. What about this? Can you tell me what is this? Watermelon. Wa, 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 wa. Watermelon. Watermelon. What about this? Can you tell me what is this? Good job. Avocado. 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 Can you point Mama the white flower? Good job. Can you point Mama the pink flower? Good job. What about the number 5? Where is the number 5? Here. Where is the number 5? Good job, baby. Good job. Is horse eat pizza? No. 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 Horse don't eat pizza. Horse eat grass. Yes, grass. Eat pizza? Grass don't eat pizza.
No.
No. No, no, no. Yes. Yay. It's what is this? Can you tell Mama what is this? Good job. Is Triceratops eat pizza? No. Can you say watering can? Watering can. What color is this? That's correct. Pink and good job.